What is the difference between a unicorn and a carrot? Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to the My Favorite Memories craft table. This is where we come up with inspiration, use our imagination, and tell really corny jokes every once in a while. Come on in, sit down, relax. Let's see what we're going to do today. Today's tutorial is a Dollar Tree inspired unicorn gift bag. You will need one gift bag, your choice of colors, some curly ribbon, some small flowers, some Velcro, false eyelashes, tissue paper, your choice of colors, a little strip of material cut in a triangle, and your unicorn horn. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, I did make a tutorial on how to make one of these. It is super simple. I will make sure that the link is in the description. Check it out. So, one unicorn horn, a pair of scissors, of course your glue, and I'm going to be using some parchment paper to slide so I don't glue the bag together. This is what we need. So let's get to work. Step 1, take your bag, open it up, spread the sides a little bit, slide your hand down inside and poke the edges. This will give you more room to work with. Just like that. Now, take your parchment paper, slide it right in so while you're gluing, you don't accidentally glue the bag together. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Velcro and that little piece of material that I've misplaced. There it is. This little piece of material. And this is going to be the front, like this, and give it enough room so you can set the horn right on top. And I'm going to cut a couple little pieces of this Velcro. Alright, after these have all dried, you've decorated the way you want. You can pull this out and we can flip it over and figure out where we want the other little piece. we will put the eyelashes on. Now these, you don't have to use eyelashes. I just thought they were adorable. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Alright, now all we have to do is add our paper, and I'm going to try, keyword try, to make it kind of look like his ears. What do you think? Did I do right? And there she is. There is your unicorn gift bag. Great for party favors, just giving gifts, or just stand alone. It's one of those things where the gift bag is going to be the center of attention, not the gift inside. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, and oh, I owe you the end of a corny joke. So, what is the difference between a unicorn and a carrot? One is a funny beast. The other is a bunny feast. And on that, I'm out of here. Bye-bye now.